Here we are. Together.
For the first time.
Ever.
Meet in person.
Finishing each other's sentences already.
We were meant to. We're the half of the other's whole.
Right, exactly.
How do you say that?
So we're eating our Ben & Jerry's ice cream together, and
I had to drive a long way, so
Mhm.
I'm too tired to do anything. So
we're way too tired.
We're gonna happy sack. You ready?
Yep.
Throw it at your foot.
Okay.
Almost.
Okay, ready?
Okay, I'm ready. Look, I don't know if I can do this. I'm ready.
It's like one of those things with the doctor. Hits you on the leg and then.
Oh, hammer.
Like, okay, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Smell your ice cream. That's better than mine.
I almost got hit by like a foot.
Here.
Thank you.
Try again.
Ready? Okay, I'll kick it to you this time.
Right.
Hopefully I can kick it if I throw it myself.
Go.
Okay, I can't.
Okay, here, I'll try. Sorry, we weren't ready.
Got my knee.
Oh, that was awesome.
Just with the hand stuff.
We are amazing.
That feels goal.
4.
Okay, last one.
Right. Wasn't ready at all.
Yeah, because it went to you.
I wasn't ready. No, I should have been ready because you warned me, but I wasn't.
The real last one.
Okay.
It's like 8 feet tall, right?
Extend leg.
To be like Inspector Gadget.
Oh, thank you, film man.
Yes.